Oh, Thursday, August 28th, I think it is.
Today is the 28th.
Yeah, so Dad's done some touch-ups here on the customer's Bombardier.
This has to cure and it'll blend in. Eh?
Okay, so he had a little spot right here where the paint had cracked, and then he had buffed it out and put new paint on. And he had to touch up on the door handle and around the right underneath here. There was just a few spots after it cooked in the sun there. He wanted to make sure everything was right, and he's just wiping it down now to make sure he's missed. Yeah, I actually asked Dad about that. The headlights that are back on, but it was both sides right around the doors here. So he's got the new door.
My helper touched it too much when it was green.
Oh, okay. So yeah, there was those two doors when they were doing the final job, but then after it cooked in the sun there for a bit, Dad went and reinvestigated, and he found he needed a couple touch-up spots there, and this is what these guys paid for, was the touch-up
Underneath and front too.
Okay.
Black.
So
and that's it as far as I'm going.
Yeah.
Young Tony was out here today.
Yeah.
And they told Aiden if he's swearing, he's not mad at you.
Oh.
He just wants you to listen and learn something.
Yeah, okay.
So Aiden felt better.
Good. So yeah, the Bombardier is back out on the front pad here. The old dog is guarding it, and so is the little dog.
He needs treats.
Yeah, he'll get his treats right away. He's doesn't move too far these days, old Charles. But yeah, so this was kind of a surprise to see. I know Dad mentioned last night that the customer had been out and was very impressed and paid him Dad off, and hopefully we can get this out of the yard. It's not that I'm trying to push customers to pick up their stuff, but it doesn't take long for us to start getting overflow here with the with equipment just being parked here, and then I have to start getting lawyers involved sometimes. Anyways, it's Dad's gonna probably just let this set overnight. It's really hot.
Back here, I'm gonna try the lights.
Oh, okay.
We got 407 on the clock. We're going to be giving away these tickets soon in this hour.
That's just pulling off the tape there. Yeah, hi Charlie. So she's fired up. Lights work great. That one's brighter than that one though. Yeah. This one's way brighter than that one. Well, they're both bright. It's just this one's brighter.
Oh, it could be the angle.
Yeah.
Well, kind of low beam.
Okay, we'll try the high beams.
Okay. This is, I don't know what this is. But
That looks normal, yeah. Both sides. That looks like high beams.
that's high beam.
Yeah.
That's it. That's all you get.
Okay, so yeah, it's not too bad. Like, just this one's a little brighter than that one.
That could be the bulb. I don't know.
Yeah,
What it is.
probably. So there you go. It's all done. 52 wide gauge going back home to its owner, and Dad's been paid off, I think, or almost paid off.
Almost.
And then yeah, Dad'll be back onto airboats tomorrow. Or no, the Muskeg tractor that's what's rolling into the shop again. So we're gonna have that one and this one backed in at the same time. Okay, these dogs need treats, so I gotta feed them.
Charlie has had treats all day.
Oh well,
He just keeps following.
did he get his 4 o'clock treats yet or no? No 4 o'clock treats.